Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're really trying to cut through the noise around a product making some pretty serious waves. It's the Alpha Infuse Hair Regrowth system. We've gathered quite a bit of source material on this one, and honestly, there's a stark warning for you, the listener. Skipping this kind of analysis? Well, it might cost more than just money. It might cost you actual hair, or at least valuable time.
Yeah, our goal here really is just to boil down what the sources found, pinpoint the immediate red flags that popped up during the investigation. We want to show you exactly how this kind of, let's call it high-pressure marketing operates. Pull back the curtain a bit before you think about reaching for your wallet.
Okay, so let's unpack this. Following the investigation's path, the very first thing that jumps out is what we're calling the timeline problem. Our sources point out that despite the company claiming these, long-standing success stories, claims of building massive trust,
Right.
the actual domain name for their website, it was only registered on January 1st, 2025.
Just this year, yeah.
That is, incredibly fresh.
It really is. And think about it, if a company is that brand new, they have a huge problem, right?
How do you convince anyone?
Exactly. How do you sell a potentially expensive long-term treatment with absolutely zero track record? You kind of have to, well, fabricate one.
Which leads right into the second major red flag, the review question.
The reviews.
Okay, this part really got me. The sources dug into 251 testimonials, and they were all described as, excessively perfect. Just glowing.
Like scrolling through social media, isn't
Yeah.
it? Where every single picture is perfect.
Totally. You instantly know something's off. It feels manufactured.
And what's really interesting is how it seems to be manufactured. The investigators found one reviewer who straight up admitted it,
Admitted what?
that they were only leaving the review to get a 30% discount right away. And get this, the promise of another 70% off later if they uploaded their results.
Wait, 30% plus 70%? That's not a review.
It's a transaction. It's basically a bribe designed purely to pump up the volume of positive reviews instantly. It's not authentic feedback at all.
Wow. Okay, so if even one person admits that, it casts serious doubt on, well, potentially all the other testimonials, doesn't it?
Absolutely. Massive doubt. And if the success stories might be faked, how do they push you to buy now before you start digging for real data?
That's where the pressure tactics and the logistics come in, the third red flag.
Yeah, this is classic sales funnel script territory.
Yeah.
And Alpha Infuse seems to be running this playbook perfectly. The script is designed to hook you emotionally, using those potentially fake stories, and then rush you to the checkout before your critical thinking kicks in.
And part of that rush is this relentless, permanent 50% discount. They push it constantly to create urgency.
But hang on, if it's permanent.
Exactly. It's not a real discount, is it? It just means the actual price is 50% of what they claim the value is. You're buying the illusion of a deal. They're selling perceived value, not proven results.
And what really stands out is how vague the science is that's supposed to justify even that price.
Oh, yeah. Lots of shiny tech words, right?
Totally. They mention things like 24-karat gold needles in the system.
Yeah.
Okay. Sounds fancy.
Sounds expensive.
Right. But where's the data? Where's the proof? Our sources note that microneedling with serums, that basic concept, it's not new science.
So the burden is really on them to show their specific system, their needles, their serum, actually does something unique or better.
And there's nothing. Zero clinical trials mentioned, no lab results shared, no FDA approvals visible anywhere on the site.
They just swap out scientific rigor for these, high-value distractions, gold needles. It's all distraction.
And that feeds right into their other major tactic, those emotional hooks.
The testimonials themselves.
Yeah. The sources highlight how they're often these really specific stories. Men, maybe 30s to 60s, who'd apparently given up all hope until Alpha Infuse came along.
It feels very scripted, like you said, sales funnel language, designed to hit an emotional nerve. Yeah.
Exactly. Make you feel the desperation and then the relief, overshadowing the fact that there's no real science or history backing it up.
And then the final touch, they offer a 120-day money-back guarantee. Seems reassuring, right?
It does sound good on the surface.
Yeah.
But the investigation pointed out these guarantees often have really complicated hoops to jump through.
Like multiple steps, documentation, strict timelines over months.
Precisely. Designed so that very few people actually manage to complete the whole process and get their money back. It acts more like another trust signal to get you to buy in the first place.
So tying this all together, the main takeaway seems pretty clear. You really have to look past the slick marketing, especially when concrete data and, frankly, a verifiable company history are just missing.
Absolutely. The advice from the sources is really direct. If you're concerned about hair loss, talk to a dermatologist first if you can. Always do your own research, look beyond the company's website. And crucially, don't let yourself get pressured by these limited time offers or emotional sales tactics.
Right. So here's something maybe for you to think about after this. We see how fast modern tech lets companies spin up these really sophisticated emotional marketing campaigns. They use fake urgency, maybe fake reviews, shiny distractions. So how can we, as consumers, get better at checking the basic scientific claims before we trust any new miracle product? It feels like buyer beware has a whole new meaning now.